Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome once again to the southern wing of the Stink Bug Works. Today I'm working on the join lines between the top and bottom hull halves. You see, I've shot some primer on here. In fact, it's still wet from some wet sanding I was doing before talking to you folks. See that? So, I'm not spraying the whole boat with primer, just working on these little areas, and I'll shoot some. You notice I put a little tape here to just protect the ride surfaces. So that's where we are on that little guy. I made this after I glued in the servo mount and the opposing side brace, and I used just the 1/8 inch carbon that from Venom Carbon. You can get it on eBay. You get half a pound of it for about $20. It's a lifetime supply, and just a pinch, a teaspoon will make a huge amount of this cotton fiber poof. Now, my plans for the poof is to mix it with epoxy, and once it wets out, it'll probably squish back down to its former size. But I'm thinking the finer quality of this will allow me to get a better looking joint. I mean, these joints don't look bad, but they don't look totally jetted either. So I'm thinking the cotton fiber poof might be a fun product to work with. It would also be good for reinforcing little things and such. I'm still thinking about this, and what I'm thinking is a little tiny Depron rigger. Now, you all know Depron. That's the stuff the indoor guys make airplanes out of. It's just that flat sided plastic foam, but it comes in boards and you can build with it. So I'm thinking of building a little rigger with this, and just simple, the lowest parts count I possibly can. 4 pieces for the tub, cut holes for the hatches. The sponsons would each just be 1 piece with some booms. I don't know if it need any supporting structures, some 16th plywood or carbon or something. I'm thinking there'd be a lot of loads on it, so you may want to tie the booms and the motor mount together. Maybe just with a strip of carbon with 2 booms coming off here and a motor mount here, and then the same thing on this side. So that would all tie together, and then this Depron could just stick on it and hang out and be cheap and fast. So there you go. Just the latest updates from the Stink Bug Works. Until next time, boys and girls, jet out.